It looks like a simple kitchen gadget, but an air fryer is actually a highly optimized, compact forced convection oven. Let's load the system and break down the thermodynamics inside. Sealing the thermodynamic chamber. Initiating the thermal cycle. Beneath the casing lies the core of the heat transfer system. At the top, we find a high-density resistive heating coil. When energized, it rapidly reaches up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, emitting intense thermal radiation. Directly above it, a high RPM centrifugal fan activates. This forces the thermal energy downwards, transitioning the system into rapid forced convection. The superheated air crashes directly into the thermal load. It instantly strips away the cold, insulating layer surrounding the food. This extreme heat exchange causes rapid surface dehydration. But the real fluid dynamics happen at the bottom, equipped with aerodynamic guide vanes. This specific geometry prevents air stagnation and violently redirects the flow upwards, creating a high-velocity turbulent vortex that envelops the food completely. Microscopic layers of lipids begin to boil on the surface. This triggers the Maillard reaction, a chemical interaction between amino acids and reducing sugars, creating that crispy exterior. The aggressive airflow ensures uniform thermal distribution. Behind the scenes, a built-in thermistor feeds real-time temperature data to a microcontroller. It uses a feedback loop to pulse the coil, maintaining a precise thermal envelope without overshooting. Approaching the end of the calculated thermodynamic cycle. The system disengages. Let's return to the macro view. Releasing the accumulated vapor pressure. The result, optimal textural contrast, pure thermodynamic engineering.